Hello everyone, welcome to ChessVisor, your wise choice to improve your chess. In today's video, I am going to show you the tricks and traps in Ruy Lopez, which is called a fishing pole trap. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here, white starts the game with e4, black replies with e5, king pawn opening, or the open game, and white continues the game with knight f3, knight c6, white plays the Ruy Lopez with bishop to b5. And with this move, white is putting pressure at the center indirectly. After that, black plays the Berlin defense with knight f6, attacking the e4 pawn. And now white can completely ignore the threat on the pawn and castle on the king side. Because opening the e file will favor the white's attack. Since the black king still in the center, black will not be able to capture the pawn. Instead, black can play this tricky move, which is knight to g4. Moving the same piece, which is not recommended because it is violating the chess principles, but we are setting up a trap with this move, and that is called fishing pole. After this move, most of the white players will try to kick this knight with a h3. Now we can again ignore this threat and play pawn to h5, supporting the knight. And if white is greedy, he will capture our knight like this, and we can recapture with our pawn and attack the white's knight, which is the only defender of the king. After these exchanges, black has opened the h file for the rook to attack, and also the queen is ready to join the attack via the diagonal. And once the knight moves away, we can mate the white king in few moves from here. After knight to e1, queen h4 threatening the checkmate in one move. The last try for white would be to free up the f2 square to run away from the mating attack. So f4, and black stopped this idea by playing pawn to g3. And now the mate is inevitable. After the computer like moves queen h5, queen takes queen, rook f3, queen h1 is checkmate. So before we continue our next trap, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the instant updates. And if you want to check the more tricks like this, please check the I button above and check the description for other videos links. So after knight to g4, white may play rook e1. So attacking or defending the pawn. So bishop to c5 immediately threatening the f2 square. So white will try to block this idea with the d4. Knight takes d4, knight takes d4. After, we should bring our queen to the attack. As you can see, now the knight and queen are converging on f2 as well as on the h2. So the knight on d4 is also hanging. So after this, knight f3 trying to defend the mating idea. But we can still mate the white king by the beautiful checkmating pattern, starting with queen f2 check. So king h1 forcing move, and the final absolutely crushing queen sacrifice on g1. No matter how white recaptures the queen, let's say he captures with his rook, and the knight f2 is a wonderful smothered checkmate. So thanks very much for watching that video till the end. This is ChessVisor, your wise choice to improve your chess. Don't forget to like this video, and please show your support by subscribing to the channel and press the bell icon for the instant notification for the future videos.